you're new here, welcome. My name is Michelle Winkler and I'm an indie author in training. On my channel, I post videos about my self-publishing journey and share some of the mistakes I've made, so hopefully you don't have to make them too. Today's video is long overdue. I received the special edition hardcovers of my book back on the 13th and then lost the footage. I blame my migraines. They come on and I lose whole weeks to either being in pain or trying to recover from the pain. But today I found the footage. So I am able to finally upload the unboxing of the special edition cover for Dust on the Altar. So here we go. Guys, it finally came. I mentioned a while ago, or maybe a few times, that I was getting special edition covers made for Dust on the Altar. And it finally got here. I'm so excited. So this is the official unboxing. I only cut this because, I haven't looked at it yet, but I had to cut that because this box is good sturdy cardboard. Okay, so there are 2 books in here. Don't get too excited. There's only one going to be offered in the giveaway. The other one is for me because it's my debut launch and I feel like doing something special for myself. So here we go. This is going to take a minute. Oh, she wrapped it really nicely. Let's see. Give me my books! Okay, now I have to be careful that I don't break it. Alright. Can you see it from there? No, you can't. I get to see it first. I love it! I love it. 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 There's the front cover. There is the... Oh, I don't know if you're going to focus on that. Focus on that. Are you focusing on that? I don't know. We'll find out in post. And there's the back cover. And there's the little charm. It's a Tree of Life. And that's the bookmark. So when you open it, you can save your place. Like so. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, that came out so nice. So it's got, this is the Tree of Life, and it's got the gold on the upper part and the silver on the lower part, and that comes in the book. You'll have to read the book to find out what that's all about. And then on the back cover, we've got the compass with the 4 cardinal points, and I don't want to give spoilers away, but that's all I'm going to say. And there's the back cover. That's all symbolic too. And then the little gold. My book is a little skinny book. I wanted to have silver pentacles on either side of the gold sun, but my book's kind of too skinny for that, so we just went with just the gold sun, but I think it looks nice like that. So, and then as you can see, when you flip the pages, they're not black because they're just black on the edge. I'm so happy. I finally got this. I've been waiting for this forever. Oh, so happy it's finally here. So the rest of that video is just me babbling on about the giveaway. So the inside of this book is the same that anyone else would get ordering the hardcover. But this cover, the spine, all the outside details were designed and created by Hannah over at Kingdom Book Designs. They were all hand painted. She stenciled everything. She did it all herself by hand. So this is a unique copy. No one in the world will ever have this exact same copy. Even I, who had her do another one for me at the same time, my copy is just slightly different than this one. It's really cool. So if you like the look of this, you should definitely go check out her channel. She has a bunch of different books on there. A lot of them are obviously a lot more famous than mine. Things like Twilight and Children of Blood and Bone. Then she's done some other, which are not just painting. They're different, I think it's called a medium. It's different material. Like she did one she called Mermaid Sequins for, I think it was Caraval? Caraval, yes. And so what happens is it's one color when you push the sequins one way and you flip the sequins over the other way, it's a different color. She did another one for the book Stalking Jack the Ripper, and the front cover is a collage of newspaper clippings about Jack the Ripper. So that turned out really cool too, I think. So definitely go check out her channel. The link is going to be in the description. So now for my giveaway, if you don't win that special edition cover, which I'm really in love with, you might get this one. Let's put it up here so it'll focus. Focus, I hope you focused. This one is what 2 other winners will get. It's the regular edition hardcover, but I will sign the inside of it personally for you. So if you're interested in that or in the special edition cover, the way you sign up for the giveaway is to pre-order a copy of my book between now and October 29th. It goes officially on sale on the 30th, so you need to order it before midnight on the 29th. And fill out the entry form. There's links for that in the description. Once you fill out the entry form, I will get mention of that and I will put your name into the drawing. The drawing's going to be this Friday, October 30th, here on my YouTube channel at 5 p.m. Pacific time. I believe that's 8 p.m. Eastern if you're on the East Coast. And even if you don't enter the drawing, come hang out with me. Celebrate my release. I will be answering your questions. I will be talking about Dust on the Altar. And I think I might, if you guys want me to, read a passage, my favorite part, one of my favorite scenes from the book. It won't be something that's on my website. This scene that I'm going to read you is something not in those chapters, so it will be exclusive. This will be my first ever live stream, so it could be hours of fun or minutes of torture. And awkward and who knows what. It should be funny to watch either way. So come join me on October 30th. And between now and then, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.